Hey, this is Onisa, and I'm going to do a quick crochet updo, half updo, and half down with a bang. So I'm going to use water wave here to do this with a crochet needle and a scrunchie for the bun in the middle. As you can see, I sped the video up. It took about like an hour and change, and yeah. You will also see that there's two videos, this video and another video, to actually show the final result. So what I'm doing is I had braided the two braids in the front, two cornrows going back for the bang, and then I braided about 5 to 6 cornrows going down in the back. Then the middle part is a small bun. Now I'm taking a crochet needle and actually crocheting the hair. The crochet here is going to be strictly yeah, I'm going to only crochet the hair for the bang, and I'm going to crochet the hair for the back. I'm also going to take the crochet here to make the bun, but I'll use a scrunchie to put it around the bun. As I'm actually doing my hair, I think I have my computer in front of me and I'm watching a movie. I did this without a mirror. I looked at the computer camera every now and then, but I did it without a mirror. So when it comes to actually putting the crochet into the hair, all you're doing is putting however much you feel to your liking of the crochet hair through your actual braiding hair. I'm feeling my way through with the back, but in the front I was actually able to see, but I was able to feel my way through too. I've been doing my hair so long, I just feel my hair through when I'm doing it, and I did it to so this is another clip where you see the final result. At this point I had the hairstyle in for some time, so now I realized I didn't show the final result, so this is me showing the final result. I took the scrunchie out, the hair of the bun in the middle, because what I do is when I'm putting my bonnet on to go to sleep, I take the middle part out. As you can see, you will see how the bun in the middle turned out, because I don't think I showed it in the first video, but yeah, you can see how the hair is crunched up in the back because I had my bonnet on. So I used Eco Gel to slick down my hair. Then I used Jam as well. I'm now using the crochet hair with the scrunchie in the middle, just to take it and wrap it around the ponytail, and that's what I use. Yes. So at night when I'm ready to go to sleep, I just take the middle bun out and go to sleep. And this is the final result. I hope you like it. I'm going to put the what I use, of course, in the description. And welcome to my channel.